Fresh out of the closet, today we are going to be working with 1977's Gay Bob. So, really all I have to do is fix a few popped seams on his shirt, nothing to it. Such a fun one. He was actually created by Harvey Rosenberg, who was actually a advertising executive back in the day. And the doll was actually manufactured through his own company named Gizmo Development. And that was today's little toy history time. Again, Gay Bob, what do you think of him? Would you pick one up? Have you ever seen one? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next. Bye.